I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm a small YouTuber. Like small, the type of small where you hit refresh on your analytics, hoping the number moves from 0 to 1. The type where your first subscriber is your friend, and the second is maybe your own other email. But here's the crazy part. Even though I'm still at the beginning of my journey, I'm documenting everything, the wins, the failures, the embarrassing moments, the times I almost quit, all of it. So if you're watching this and you're also at the bottom, or you're just someone who enjoys watching someone climb step by step, stay with me. Because everything I learn, I'm giving it to you raw. And in today's video, I'm breaking down the exact simple hustles I'm using as a new creator that can help me and maybe you hit the goal I set for myself. I'm not teaching from the top, I'm teaching from the trenches. So let's get straight into the value. Section 1, why I'm starting from 0 and why this matters to you. I want to set the tone for my whole YouTube journey. I'm new. I don't have experience. I don't have a huge team. I don't have money to invest. I don't have expensive equipment. I literally started this channel with the same feeling you probably have right now. I hope someone watches this. I hope I don't embarrass myself. I hope I can make this work. And that's exactly why I think my content will connect. Because I'm not pretending to be a guru. I'm not trying to act like I made millions. I don't have that shiny YouTube life. I'm honestly just a beginner trying to figure things out publicly. And I realized something. People don't just want information. They also want a journey, a story they can follow, a person they can relate to, someone who feels like them. That's why I'm making my entire brand. Learning in public, not teaching from the mountaintop, teaching from the climb. Section 2, the money goal and the real pressure behind it. Let me be real with you. I set a goal to start making money from YouTube in 30 days. Is that crazy? Probably. Is it guaranteed? No. Is it possible? Yes, but only with a plan. And the plan can't be complicated because I'm new. I don't have editing experience. I don't have recording skills. I don't have storytelling skills that big creators have. So everything I do has to be simple, realistic, and beginner friendly. And that's why I'm focusing on a type of content that doesn't require perfection. Transparent beginner journey content. Real life finance lessons I'm learning. Easy hustles that don't require skills. Documenting my growth instead of trying to teach like an expert. Because here's the truth, I realized. People don't care about perfection, they care about progress. Section 3, the hustles. I'm using that you can use too. These will help me chase the goal even as a small creator. I'm going to break down easy hustles that any beginner can start, including me, and I'll be documenting every result on this channel. These hustles don't require a degree, money, experience, a big following, special skills. Just effort plus the willingness to learn. 1, faceless content creation using scripts, stock clips, and AI editing. As a small YouTuber, showing your face is not always needed. You can literally write simple finance scripts, use free stock footage, use CapCut templates, edit on your phone, and boom, you have a full video. This is great because you don't need confidence on camera. You can produce more videos. You don't need lighting or expensive gear. It builds skill while you stay comfortable. I'm using this to upload more videos while I'm still improving on camera. 2 TikTok to YouTube short form reposts. Shorts grow small channels fast. You can record simple tips from your phone, screen record finance lessons, repurpose TikToks, create simple text on screen value clips. Shorts don't require perfect quality, and the algorithm pushes new creators. 3 simple finance tutorials. You don't need to be an expert. Just share what you just learned today. Example, I just found out what compound interest really means, and here's how it works in simple words. Or, I'm a beginner, but here's the budgeting trick that helped me stop overspending. People love relatable learning. 4 affiliate marketing beginner-friendly tools. You can earn money without selling anything yourself. You only need a link, a product you like, a short video explaining it. Finance has some of the highest paying affiliate programs. Even small channels get paid. 5, selling Notion templates and digital products. This is easy beginner money. You can create budget trackers, savings templates, daily routine templates, goal trackers, and sell them for $3, $10. Beginner friendly. No skills required. No face needed. Evergreen income. 6, documenting your hustle journey. This is literally content plus a hustle in one. Example, I tried dropshipping for 24 hours as a beginner. Here's what happened. Or, I made $15 selling my first Notion template, and here's exactly how. People love watching real results. 7, freelancing on the easiest platforms. As a new creator trying to reach a financial goal, this can help you fund equipment or invest in yourself. Easy platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, easy gigs, script writing, video captions, simple editing, voiceovers, budgeting templates. You don't need advanced skills, just consistent practice. Section 4, why I call myself a small YouTuber in every video. This is part of my brand. I say, I'm a small YouTuber, so every like and comment helps. This does 3 powerful things. Humanizes me, makes people root for me, sets expectations, I'm learning, creates relatability, builds community. People want to see small creators grow. It makes them feel like they're part of the journey. Section 5, how I hook viewers in 30 seconds. My strategy. Here's how I start every video. I'm a beginner, and this is the first thing I learned that changed everything. I failed this 10 times already, but today I finally figured it out. At the end of this video, you will be able to do the same. Imagine 30 days from now, you're looking back and thanking yourself for starting today. I'm learning this as a small creator, and I'm sharing the journey step by step. If you want someone who keeps it real, you're in the right place. This builds connection instantly. Section 6, real relatability. The part most beginners skip. I don't hide my flaws. I don't hide my inexperience. I don't hide my beginner mistakes. I show when I fail, when my video flops, when I'm confused, when I want to quit, when I try something new, when something finally works. This transparency is what makes people subscribe. Nobody wants a fake guru. People want someone real. Section 7, my value-first approach. Every single video I create must answer this question. What will the viewer gain? Not what makes me look smart, what makes me look successful, what makes me look like a pro, but what helps them. That's why I'm building my content around tools, templates, step-by-step tutorials, simple explanations, practical examples, tricks I learn, mistakes I make. Everything is built to help, not impress. Section 8, why this will become a strong brand. My identity as a creator is simple. I'm learning, and I'm bringing you with me. This creates relatability, trust, personality, vulnerability, authenticity, community, long-term loyalty. People won't just come for information. They'll come for the journey. Section 9, the daily habits I'm using to grow faster. Even as a small creator, these habits give me an advantage. Daily short-form uploads, shorts explode channels, 3 long videos per week. Not perfect, just consistent. One topic, many angles. If budgeting works, I create 10 budgeting videos. Reply to every comment. This boosts the algorithm. Study analytics daily. This tells me what to improve. Create beginner-friendly thumbnails. Emotion plus curiosity equals clicks. Section 10, future pacing, where you and I are going together. I want every viewer to imagine you started small. You were confused. You learned step by step. You stayed consistent. And in a few months, you finally hit your first 1,000 subscribers. You made your first online dollar. You built something you're proud of. That's the goal of this channel. And if you want to see a creator grow in real time, not someone pretending to be perfect, hit subscribe. Section 11, call to action, natural, not desperate. I'm still a small YouTuber, so every like, comment, and subscribe truly helps my channel reach more people. If you want simple hustles, real financial value, and a transparent creator who shares everything as I learn it, you're in the right place. Section 12, transition to hustles, deep dive coming in. Next part, now that you understand my journey and why I'm building my content this way, let's dive deeper. The exact hustles, the step-by-step breakdowns, the scripts, the video formulas, the growth plan, the monetization plan. This next part is where the real value starts.